ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ today I am not putting onion because of the Shivaratri festival. So we can add onion also, but today I am not putting because of the Shivaratri festival. So now I'll show you the procedure. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I kept a pot, ಸ್ಟವ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಟೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟವ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನಾವು I'll be adding oil to this. I just turned on the stove. Three, 4 spoons of oil. To that I'll be adding mustard seeds, sasve, cumin seeds, jeerige. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡೇ ನಾನು 90% ತೋರಿಸೋದು. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I already kept the water to heat. So if we add water, heated water like hot water, it will become like faster, and also the chana dal, those things won't get like soft. So you will have a crunchiness to that. So when the mustard seeds cracks, we'll add the remaining stuffs. If the mustard seeds does not crack, it will be bitter. So you have to make sure that it cracks. When it starts 1 or 2, you can just add the remaining stuffs, because with the remaining heat, the remaining the mustard seeds will start cracking.